Week 8 kicked off with a big milestone. The corrugated iron roof finally installed on the horse shelter. After weeks of framing, measuring, lifting and levelling, seeing that roof go on felt like the whole structure suddenly came to life. And the horses clearly agree. Blaze, Hercules and Xena have already claimed the space as their new breakfast and dinner spot. Every morning and evening they wander in like they've been using it for years. It's amazing how quickly animals recognise a place that's been built for them. This week, we're also joined by Alex, who's come back to give Pete a hand, and Connor, a long-time family friend and a seriously skilled builder. The three of them together make such a solid team. There's a rhythm to the way they work, each one stepping in exactly where they're needed, and it's been incredible to watch. With the team back in full swing, the outside cladding is going on. We've chosen corrugated iron for its durability, its clean, classic look, and because it's so straightforward to install. It's tough enough to handle our weather, it ties in beautifully with the rest of the property, and it's already transforming the whole structure. Every sheet that goes up makes the shelter feel more and more complete. And honestly, my heart is so full watching the men working together to turn our dream into reality. It still doesn't feel quite real. You imagine something like this for so long. You sketch it, plan it, talk about it, and then suddenly you're standing here in week 8, and it's actually happening. The shelter is taking shape right in front of us. So that's week 8 of the horse shelter build, done and dusted. Thank you for watching, for cheering us on, and for being part of this journey with us. We'll see you in week 9, where the plan is to get the flashings, gutters and downpipes installed. Bye for now.